Dang! That's a fat one.
Big boy. Got him right in his jowl.
Who fatty?
He's a fat boy. And I keep getting him,
Rehooked.
yeah, rehooked. I might need my,
Old pliers.
yeah, for some reason that one's,
Oh God.
that's what I'm talking about right there.
Holy crap.
That's a good one right there. That's personal best right there, boy.
Is it? I wonder how much it weighs.
I don't know.
You got a scale? I got a scale.
You got one?
Yeah.
Where's that?
And a box. And the bag. Let's get him unhooked and take him over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
Alright.
There you go. Drag him up.
Oh,
There you go.
that's a
My
good one.
pole's squeaking when I reel.
Look at your rod. Okay, let it go.
That's a good one.
That's a fat one too.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. Wow.
My face.
That's a baby.
We're just gonna bring him in like he's surfing.
Yeah, it's his hobby.
Huh.
I like how big their mouth is. It cracks me up.
Huh.
Okay.
There you go, dude.
Huh. Dang. You gonna try the old Whopper Plopper? You know who got me to buy that thing?
Yeah.
That guy over there.
My bait caster now. What's up?
Let me see your thumb.
He's not bad. It's just it's real swollen and kind of bruised. Hurts to bend.
Well, he hammered you. So woo.
Oh fuck!
Juke. That was right when it hit the water.
Fuck.
Oh, ass that up.
Said we don't fish good. I don't fish good.
Oh, he's just coming in now.
He's all tired out. He's all conquered out.
He's like, this thing hurts. Oh, he's got it. Has he got it wedged? Yes, sir.
In your catfish rod.
Go ahead.
Get it out of my fucking way.
Give it a little pulls.
He's not over here. What happened?
I hope it was on video. She goes like this, and it's way up on the bank up there. You might as well walk to it because you'll never get it out of the weeds pulling it. There you go. That's it.
Got one.
That sounds like a decent one. Oh, there it is. Pull him.
Yeah!
There you go.
All right.
Double hitter. Here, pull
Some
it.
of us have to work tomorrow. Not me. I go sleep in with my dogs. Had to work today.
I
though.
rocket shipped that all the way across.
Fucking sucks, but okay.
Bam. There you go. I just love how their fucking faces come up and you just
Then jet ski him.
taking on a shit ton of water.
That's a little fella right there.
That's a little guy, yeah.
Sad part about it is we catch him other places. We're like, whoa! See you later, homie. All right.
I got blood all over the handle of my rod.
Oh, well, guess what? Bassin' day is over. Sunday bass day.